Welcome, kindergartners. I am Miss K, and I am so excited to teach this mini lesson with you today. We are going to be looking at standard RL.K 3, which is with prompting and support, identify characters, settings, and major events in a story. And today we are going to take a closer peek at the setting of our story. So the setting of our story. So let's see, what does that mean? What is that all about? But before we get started, let's go ahead and review our classroom expectations. So remember, in our virtual classroom expectations, we always come prepared. We have a positive attitude. We participate. Our listening ears and eyes are on the speaker. We sit nicely with our camera on, and we always try our best. If you are viewing this at home or in a classroom, you don't need to sit nicely with your camera on, but sit up nice and tall for me, ready to learn. Okay, students, let's go ahead and review stories. So when we read a story, we know that we have different characters that are in our story. We have a setting, that's where our story takes place. We have the plot of our story, so what happens in sequence. We have our problem. What are the characters' problem in our story? And we have a theme. What is the overall theme or message that our author wanted to tell us? And this is called the 5-finger retell. So let's imagine you were retelling the story to someone. You want to make sure that you tell them about the characters, the setting, the plot, the problem, and the theme. Okay, students? So let's go ahead and take a look at our setting. We're going to focus on this one today, and this is where the story takes place. Okay, students, I am sure you have watched tons of movies, TV shows, read books, and the setting might be different in all of those stories. Maybe you read a fairy tale that takes place in a castle, or maybe you read a pirate adventure book that takes place on the sea. Maybe you read an adventure book that takes place in the jungle. Those are all the setting. The setting is where the story takes place, okay? Let's go ahead and take a look at our read aloud today. And this read aloud is titled Up, Down, and All Around. And over here, we'll find the author by T. Albert, and it's illustrated by maaillustrations.com. Remember, the author is the one who writes the book, and the illustrator is the one who does all of the fabulous drawings and pictures for the book. I am Freddie, and I just learned something. No matter where you are, look up, look down, look all around. Okay, students, look at this illustration. Remember, we're focusing on the setting with this story. Does this give you some clues about where the story takes place? You never know what you may see, and it helps us be safe. Yep, you and me. There I was, just walking down the street, not paying attention and staring at my feet. What do you notice in this illustration? Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. I walked into an open door. I did not look up, and now I am sad. Free ice cream, read the sign, for any lad. Step 5, step 6, step 7, and 8. Where am I at? I went through the wrong gate. Ooh, look at those tall buildings. These buildings are sometimes referred to as skyscrapers. I did not look right, but if I had, I would have seen Sally flying a kite with her dad. Who looks left? What is there to see? Only a circus parade and a monkey in a tree. Can you spot the monkey? Did you guys find it? Oh, there's our monkey friend hiding in the tree. I turned around and took one step into a puddle, and now I am wet. Oh no. Look up, look down, look all around. You will not miss a thing and be safe and sound. Okay, students, take a peek again at this illustration. We have a street here. We have some buildings, the skyline. We have some grass, some trees. Do you think you know where this story takes place? Let's answer our question. Where does the story take place? Does it take place in A, the zoo, B, a museum, C, around a city, or D, grandma's house? Okay, let me know if you have a whiteboard or a piece of paper. You can hold up your answer. You can let the person next to you know who you're learning with, what the answer is. Is it A, B, C, or D? Oh, you guys are so smart. You're right. It's C, around a city. Around a city. Okay, students, thank you for learning with me today. You guys did a great job. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Miss K will see you soon. Bye-bye.